Today we are doing exercise 12.2. Question number 1, simplify combining like terms. We know that only like terms can be added and can be subtracted. Like terms, as yesterday we have done, like terms are the terms which have the same variable or alphabet. तो ऐसे टर्म्स जिनके अल्फ़ाबेट सेम होते हैं वो लाइक टर्म्स कहे जाते हैं. Now here you can see that this 21b, 7b and in this question it is 20b. Now here 20b. Now these all are like terms because the variable is same, all have b in it, so they are like terms, so these can be added or subtracted. Now we will solve this. Write 21b plus 7b minus 20b, means first of all put all the like terms together, then minus 32. So 21 plus 7, 28b minus 20b माइनस 32. तो 28 में से 20 माइनस करेंगे तो आएगा 8b माइनस 32. दिस इज द आंसर. Now here you cannot solve it more 8b minus 32 because one is variable and one is constant. These are unlike terms. तो अगर आंसर अनलाइक टर्म्स में आ रहा है तो उसको कभी भी हम प्लस और माइनस नहीं करेंगे, एज इट इज़ उसको वहीं पे छोड़ देंगे. नाउ दिस इज 12.2 सेकेंड पार्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 सेकेंड पार्ट. माइनस जेड पावर 2 प्लस 13z पावर 2 माइनस 5z प्लस 7z पावर 3. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल पुट ऑल द लाइक टर्म्स टुगेदर. तो माइनस जेड स्क्वेयर प्लस 13z स्क्वेयर, दीज आर द लाइक टर्म्स. देन 5z एंड 15z, these are the like terms, and then 7z power 3. Now here you can see that कि सबसे पहले जो like terms है उनको हमने पास पास लिख लिया है. तो माइनस प्लस इट इज़ ऑलवेज माइनस, सो 13 में से 1z स्क्वेयर जाएगा तो 12z स्क्वेयर बचेगा. हेयर माइनस माइनस प्लस, तो 5 और 15 प्लस हो जाएंगे तो हो जाएगा 20z, और साइन उसका आता है जो दोनों में ग्रेटर होता है, तो यहाँ पे माइनस का साइन आएगा. एंड दिस प्लस 7z पावर 3 will be left. Now this is first third part. Now here we have to open the brackets. One is minus is outside the bracket, that's why it is minus p, और माइनस माइनस प्लस q. जब भी ब्रैकेट के बाहर माइनस होगा तब उसके अंदर के अल्फ़ाबेट्स और नंबर्स के सिंबल चेंज हो जाएंगे. प्लस का माइनस हो जाएगा, माइनस का प्लस हो जाएगा. Now in the second bracket again this is minus q and then plus p. Now if the same alphabet or number is in plus and minus both, then we can cut it. Now here you can see that this is plus p and this is minus p, this can be cut. This is plus q, this is minus q, this can also be cut. Now answer is minus q plus p. Now this is first fourth part. Now we will solve this. 3a minus 2b minus ab. Now minus sign is outside the bracket, so bracket will be open. Minus a plus b minus ab plus 3ab plus b minus a. Now here you can see that there are three variables a, b and ab. Now we will put together all the like terms. So 3a minus a and minus a. Now here all the a terms are together. Then minus 2b plus b and plus b. Now these are together. Then minus ab minus ab and plus 3ab are together. Now we will join them. We will add or subtract them. 13a minus a, then it is 2a minus a. Minus 2b plus b, then it is minus b plus b. It is minus 2b plus minus 2ab plus 3ab. Now this is minus, this is plus, this can be reduced. 2a minus a, this is plus ab, because minus plus minus 3 में से 2 जाएगा, बचेगा 1, and the greater sign we have to take, so it is plus. Now this is question number 5. First fifth part. Now we will put all the like terms together, or we can do this using column method also. Now here we are applying column method. By both methods we can do this, but now here we are applying column method. First of all the terms of x square y, so 5x square y, and this 3y x square, this is also x square y, so this is also like term. Now there are no terms. Now minus 5x square, and then this x square we will written plus x square. Now minus 3y square and माइनस वाई स्क्वायर. इसमें क्या करते हैं, कॉलम मेथड में जो सेम वेरिएबल हैं, जो लाइक टर्म्स हैं, उनको वर्टिकल में लिखना है, मीन्स ऊपर नीचे लिखना है. नाउ 8 minus 3y square is 2 times, so one more 3y square we have to write, and total 8 terms are there. One is left, which is 8xy square. Now we will draw a line and then write the answer. It is 8x square y minus 4x square minus 7y square plus 8x y square. Now this will be the answer according to the column method. Now this is sixth part of the question number 1. Now first of all open the brackets. Now here it is minus sign outside the bracket, so we will change all the sign. 8y becomes minus, negative, and minus become plus, and this is also plus. Now add 3y square to y square, 5y to 8y. Now here you can see this is minus 4, this is plus 4, this can be reduced directly because one is minus, other is plus. 4y square minus 3y. Now this is the answer.